Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. Ever dreamed of owning a slice of the culinary world, serving delectable Japanese dumplings that leave customers craving for more? Welcome to the world of SUKI GYOZA, a thriving franchise opportunity in the Philippines that's turning food lovers into successful entrepreneurs. SUKI GYOZA, established in 2014 by Teresa de Jesus Alcantara, has been serving authentic and affordable Japanese dumplings in the Philippines. As of February 2024, the brand operates 7 food stalls and has crafted over 3 million gyozas, marking 9 years of dedicated service. For aspiring entrepreneurs, SUKI GYOZA offers franchise opportunities with comprehensive support, including assistance with outlet design, layout, and training programs. For the SUKI GYOZA's menu, SUKI GYOZA's menu is a haven for gyoza enthusiasts, featuring classic pork gyoza, juicy pork filling wrapped in delicate dough, chicken gyoza, a lighter yet flavorful alternative, vegetable gyoza, a delightful option for vegetarian customers, and specialty flavors, seasonal and innovative gyoza creations that keep the menu exciting. For the franchise package, unit franchise, the initial fee is worth 180,000 pesos. For the franchise inclusions, it includes use of trademark, site approval, training of franchisee and staff, procurement program, opening assistance, operations manual on loan, and research and development. The initial term is good for 3 years. There's a renewal fee of 50% and the renewal term is 3 years. The royalty fee is 3% and they require commissary band of 30,000 pesos. The total capital requirement is 480,000 pesos with the required space of 4 to 6 square meters. For the advertising, 25,000 pesos grand opening marketing. They also collect 1% of gross sales for local store marketing and 1% of gross sales for national advertising. For the area franchise, the initial fee is worth 450,000 pesos with the rights to 3 kiosks. For the franchise inclusions, it includes use of trademark, site approval, training for franchisee and staff, procurement program, opening assistance, operations manual on loan, and research and development. The initial term is good for 4 years, and the renewal fee is 50%. Renewal term is 4 years, and the royalty fee is 3%. The commissary band is 30,000 pesos, and the capital requirement is 300,000 pesos per kiosk. The required space is 4 to 6 square meters. For the advertising, 25,000 pesos for grand opening marketing, 1% of gross sales for local store marketing, and 1% of gross sales for national advertising. For the additional franchise package inclusions, as a SUKI GYOZA franchisee, you will receive comprehensive support including outlet design and layout assistance. This is the guidance on setting up the physical space. Training programs for comprehensive training for you and your staff. For the operations manual, this is the detailed guidelines on daily operations. For the marketing support, access to marketing materials and campaigns. And finally, procurement program, assistance with sourcing ingredients and supplies. For the franchise application process, to apply for a SUKI GYOZA franchise, number 1, inquiry. Contact SUKI GYOZA to express your interest. Number 2, application. Complete and submit the franchise application form. Number 3, site selection. Secure a suitable location. The franchisor will evaluate and approve it. Number 4, approval. Upon approval, proceed with the necessary agreements and preparations. Number 5, training. Attend the comprehensive training program provided by SUKI GYOZA. Number 6. Setup. Prepare your outlet with the franchisor's assistance. And lastly, number 7. Launch. Open your SUKI GYOZA franchise to the public. For the franchise benefits, why choose SUKI GYOZA? Number 1. Establish brand. Benefit from a brand with a strong reputation and loyal followers. Proven business model. Operate with confidence using a tested and successful system. Number 2. Proven business model. Operate with confidence using a tested and successful system. Number 3. Comprehensive support. Receive continuous assistance from setup to daily operations. For the contact information, please contact SUKI GYOZA with the contact numbers 0976-5607-308 or 0910-226-9626. You can also visit their website at www.sukigyoza.com. You can send them an email at sukigyoza@gmail.com. And you can also visit their Facebook page at sukigyoza.ph. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Why should I consider franchising SUKI GYOZA? Answer. Franchising with SUKI GYOZA provides a proven business model with refined operations and customer experience, increasing the likelihood of success compared to starting anew. Additionally, SUKI GYOZA benefits from a strong brand reputation and market recognition. Question number 2. Am I guaranteed success if I get a SUKI GYOZA franchise? Answer. A franchise gives the franchisee the opportunity to follow the business system that the franchisor has proven to be successful. Your success as a franchisee highly depends on the commitment you give to the business. Question number 3. How can I market and advertise SUKI GYOZA? Answer. Franchisor often have dedicated marketing and advertising teams that work to promote the brand as a whole. This means that as a franchisee, you can benefit from national or regional marketing campaigns, increasing brand awareness and attracting more customers to your outlet. Question number 4. Do I need to purchase all the commissary items needed from you? Answer. As a franchisee, you are required to purchase all the ingredients to the franchisor. You will be provided with a procurement program so you know what items are required to buy and in the market. Also, this procurement program will guide you in purchasing all the supplies that you need to set up the franchise outlet. Question number 5. Will you provide site location assistance for your franchise applicants? Answer. Each franchise applicant is required to secure their own facility. The location chosen should be submitted to the franchisor for evaluation and approval. Question number 6. What support does SUKI GYOZA provide to each franchisees? Answer. SUKI GYOZA provides comprehensive support to each franchisees, including assistance with the design and layout of the outlet, training programs and schedules, marketing and advertising support, and ongoing operational guidance. Question number 7. Can I operate a SUKI GYOZA franchise in any location? Answer. SUKI GYOZA has a specific criteria for selecting franchise locations. They consider factors such as population density, foot traffic, competition, and local market potential. The franchisor will work with you to identify suitable locations for your franchise. Question number 8. What will be the ideal location? Answer. Choosing the right location is vital for maximizing customer reach and profits. The ideal location should be near heavy foot traffic, areas like schools or universities, business districts, and even local communities with busy streets. And lastly, question number 9. Do I need prior experience in the cooking industry to become a franchisee? Answer. While experience in the cooking industry can help, it's not mandatory. SUKI GYOZA offers a thorough training program schedule and operations manual to equip franchisees with the skills needed for success. They commit to providing an easy-to-understand manual detailing daily operations. For more detailed information, prospective franchisees are encouraged to contact SUKI GYOZA directly. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.